Bakit nga ba nahihilig ang mga Pilipino sa pelikula?
Well, it's a way of escaping from reality for a moment. That's the number one. We tend to go to another world, fantasize, living what is our present, our reality, for a moment. Just sort of, some are are watching movies just to remove the stress.
And lastly, who influenced you in doing so?
Who influenced you? No one influenced me to do it. I just jump to another level since I'm directing plays, concerts. So I tried to go to another level of directing. So that is movie making.
Um, can you give us opinion, suggestion, or anything about filmmaking?
So what do you mean? It has a lot of elements and aspects.
The one that you told me already.
What is that? Okay. If you are planning, actually, you can make movies nowadays. No, I think that iPhone can be used in making movie. I remember one actor, not sure what nationality, or I think Japanese. He used an iPhone to make a full-length movie. You don't need expensive cameras to make movies. What you need is the quality of the story, the plot, the sequence of the scenes. Of course, good actors is number one factor. So even though your story is good, if your actors are not good, it's useless. No? Effects, you can get a lot of effects you can download from the internet. Camera angles, camera techniques, you can study it. The basics, no? You can make movies by having a basic knowledge in making it, especially the camera angles and also the camera techniques. How are you going to do a certain scene without using a lot of gadgets, a lot of what do you call this one? Mm, props, machineries, just like the commercialized movies are using. No? You can make your own a quality movie.